This campfire grate is gross. I'm glad I got the top secret weapon this time. We got a Harbor Freight Bauer. This is how you clean your grate. Hard to do one-handed, but you get the point. Woo. Almost down to bare metal. And now we'll start the process of adding vegetable oil to it. And we'll start seasoning the grate properly. Okay, the finishing touches. With the finishing brush.
That's going to make some nice porterhouse cut pork chops.
And now, oh, sorry, you had something to say?
No.
Okay. And now we have a perfectly seasoned grate.
Double oaked rye.
And I think it's great.